So sifuna calculator imali lehamba kweyagesi masisebenzisa ema-appliances. So masithatha i-example yana i-toaster. So nakubona ukuthi imalini lehambako masisebenzisa nayi-toaster naye. So lana siyabona ema-specifications ale toaster ukuthi AC 220 to 240. So ngile voltage lo ngayithatha from lama mains at 50 Hz, which is the frequency, and then nayi le power. Shothi logo power, it's 700 watts to 800 watts. So masithatha nang 800 watts funa kubona ukuthi malini lesito charge yena. Okay, so lekufuteka sikwadi ukuthi ipower nayo isiniketiwe. So lokhu la ngile power. So ipower yale toaster le toaster power sinegatiwe P is equal to asebenzise lo 800 watts lo mkhulu. Asithi si-switcher on asithi si-switcher on for 5 minutes. Kufuteka sicheke lama rates ukuthi malini imalini kilowatt hour. So masita kule website siyata ku domestic siyatfola emalangeni per kilowatt hour 1.4898. So siyatfola la ukuthi emalangeni per kilowatt hour is equal to 1.4898. Lokho kusho ukuthi emalangeni 1.4898 utfola 1 kilowatt hour. So kuthenga 1 kilowatt hour ubita 1.4898 emalangeni. So asesi calculate la kuti i-kilowatt kuhamba how many kilowatt hours in 5 minutes. So as I'm saying, this is a different color. So i-kilowatt hour energy. Logo cost. Okay. Futa ngati definition ya power. Power is rate ya energy. So kuba energy over time. Okay. Lo ilo ungam confuse ngalo ilo lona it's cost. So energy you have to make the subject. So kusho ukuthi lana multiplier by time both sides. So uthola ukuthi energy is given by power times time. Okay? So lo time lona wethu minutes. Futeka simchinje kube ngu hours. Le power yethu in watts. Futeka sichinje ibe in kilowatts. Starting with the time, which is 5 minutes. In hours kutoba ngibani. So masithatha la sithi 5 minutes. Stock multiply logo by uthola 1 hour. 1 hour ulingana na 60 minutes. So lana sithola ukuthi to get this kube in hour lama minutes ato cancelana sithola ukuthi kutoba ngo 5 over 60 and then times 1 hour. 5 over 60 hours. So 5 over 60 must cancel la 1 must divide nga5 kuthi 1 must divide nga5 ngu1 carry 1 divide nga5 10 sithola 2 so sithola ukuthi ngu1 over 12 hour. So nyalo sifuna ukuthola le power yethu le ibe in kilowatt hour. So lokho sifuna kube in kilowatt hour. So P siyamthola la ukuthi 800 watts. Once it's 800 watts. So ekufuteka sikwati ukuthi 1 kilowatt 1 kilowatt is equal to kilo umele 1000, so kutoba 1000 watts. So masibuka la labo watts bato cancelana sithole ukuthi la lo P ngu 800 over 1000 kilowatts. Angibhale kW umele kilowatts. And then labo 0 laba ucancela lo 0 lo ucancela lo, so divide nga 10. And then lana ngadivide nga 2. Mangidivide nga 2 la kuba ngu4, mangidivide 10 nga 2 kuba ngu5. I-answer yami ngu 4 over 5 kilowatt. So kuthola kilowatt hour naku sithatha lo P sinaye kilowatt, lo T hour sikufaka la tothola le energy. So masenda kanjalo sithola ukuthi P ngu 4 over 5 kilowatt multiplied by 1 over 12 hour. So you multiply kilowatt hour. The answer yethu lesitholako in kilowatt hours 4 times 1 sithola ukuthi 4, 5 times 12 sithola ukuthi 60, 50 plus 10 60, so it's now 4 over 60 kilowatt hour. As I'm going to simplify, ang simplify la ngidivide nga 2 kutoba na 2 lana it's 3, it's 30, so it's 2 over 30, and then divide by 2 sithola ukuthi 1 la carry 1, 2 here it's 5, so the answer lana 1 over 15 kilowatt hour. And then once sesinako lo 1 over 15 kilowatt hour, i-cost ithi emalangeni 1.4898 for 1 kilowatt hour must be equal to, sibeka le cost lana asiyati shortest dot x is to le costs le kilowatt hours nayo 1 over 15, so 1 over 15. And then to solve this, you multiply this extreme with this extreme. Most 70 my ratios. As long as order we maintain ile ukuthi lana cost is to kilowatt hour is equal to cost is to kilowatt hour. So multiply these two, it should be equal to these two. Okay, so multiply out ngithola ukuthi 1.4898 multiplied by 1 over 15 must equal to 1 times x. So ngithola ukuthi x is equal to, asikweke out isitotsi 1.4898 multiplied by open bracket 1 over 15 close bracket. Na i-cost sithola ukuthi ngu 0.09932. So it means therefore cost is emalangeni we use 2 decimal places, and that means I round this up kuba ngu 10, so kutoba 0.10. so that's the costing 10 cents to run toaster for 5 minutes. So masifuna calculator i-cost yegrana the toaster for i-cost yegrana i-toaster for 2 hours. For i-cost yegrana le toaster for 2 hours, first kufuneka sithole le energy lesebenzise ngile toaster in 2 hours. So le power sinayo, i-power solo sinayo ngu 800 ngilona, and then lesikhathi sinaso ngu 2 hours. So kuthola le energy sto multiply i-power times time. So must multiply, so its energy is power times time, and then le power kufuta si convert le power 800. Sifuna kumconverter 800 watts. Sifuna kumconverter into kilowatts. Kutoba multiply by 1 kilowatt gives us 1000 watts. So ekugcineni lo 0 low cancel low, lo 0 low cancel low, 8 over 10 kilowatts. So la sitofaka 8 over 10 kilowatts, isikhathi sinayo 2 hours. Lapho khona sitothola kilowatt hours. So lana if we are working this out, 2 uyakanye la 2 ku 10 uyakanye 5, so stoba na 8 over 5 kilowatt hour. And then masinalo 8 over 5 kilowatt hour, sebenzisa the same formula. So if I'm using the same formula, let me shift this out, and then let me shift this out. Okay, so if I'm using the same formula lana ngifaka nje 8 over 5 some kilowatt hour, so multiplying this out stoba na 8 over 5 1.4898 multiplied by 8 over 5, so it's now 1.4898 multiplied by 8 over 5 is equal to 1 times x, which is x. And then we use the calculator to work this out. Sithola ukuthi 1.4898 multiply by open bracket 8/5 close bracket. So the answer yethu la 2 emalangeni 38 cents. So i-cost lo x la, okay, sithole ukuthi 2.38, okay, correct to 2 decimal places, which means that the cost for running the toaster for 2 hours utongibita 2 emalangeni 38 cents.